I've been comparing Twilio and RingCentral throughout 2025, and while both platforms offer robust communication solutions, they cater to different needs and preferences. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize a developer-centric approach or a more user-friendly, all-in-one platform. Twilio is a cloud communications platform that provides developers with APIs to build customized communication solutions, including SMS, voice, video, and email services. Its strength lies in its scalability and the ability to integrate with various applications, making it ideal for businesses that require tailored communication workflows. However, this flexibility comes with a steeper learning curve, and setting up complex integrations may require significant development resources. RingCentral, on the other hand, offers a comprehensive, out-of-the-box communication system that includes voice, video conferencing, messaging, and contact center solutions. It's designed for businesses seeking an all-in-one platform with minimal setup. RingCentral's user-friendly interface and extensive feature set make it accessible for teams without dedicated development resources. While it may not offer the same level of customization as Twilio, it simplifies the process of deploying and managing business communications. If your organization has a strong development team and needs highly customizable communication solutions, Twilio is a powerful choice. On the other hand, if you're looking for a more straightforward, user-friendly platform to manage multi-channel communications, RingCentral offers a compelling alternative. If this comparison helped you determine which platform aligns better with your business needs, please like the video, share it with someone exploring communication solutions, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.